we get towards the end of the protest period, but before we have an answer from the Supreme Court, on what basis can we file a protest? So can you file a protest?
Yes, absolutely. So basically, we have a lot of customers asking this question, like, do we start filing protests in February, not thinking that the result's not till June? And I think that's where the question's coming from.
Okay.
That 180-day window that Caleb talked about is just around pressing the button and lodging the quote unquote complaint.
Okay.
Hey, we think this is wrong. And so we assume there won't be a final court decision, and that protest will then stay open beyond that 180 days. That 180 days is simply the mechanism to lodge said complaint. Think of it like your insurance policy. You only have so many days to file an insurance claim or the claim's gone. Same exact idea. And I'll just follow up because I see the question popping up here around how much do we claim? With a protest, you're not claiming an amount. You're saying that the IEEPA duties were incorrect. Therefore, all IEEPA duties should be refunded.
You're just holding your place in line.
Yeah, you're just holding your place in line.